How to enable dark mode on DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. First of all, you get to download the DeepSeek AI application on your device, be it iPhone or Android. The steps are same. If you're even using on PC, the steps are quite similar and you can just follow these steps. So once you open this DeepSeek AI interface, you gotta click on these two lines over here at the top left. So once you click on that, you gotta click on your profile over here at the bottom left. And here you'll be redirected to your profile settings. So what you gotta do is click on color scheme over here. And here you can see that right now the color scheme is light. So what you're going to do is click on dark. Or you can even enable it instead of, specifying it to be dark. You can even click on it and make it according to your system. Now, whenever your system is dark, the DeepSeek AI will get dark on dark mode. If your system is on light mode, the DeepSeek AI will change accordingly. So that was how you can enable dark mode on DeepSeek AI. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.